In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide price in Shopify. This is really useful if you're setting up a catalog style store, running a contact for pricing model, or preparing products before you're ready to go live with your prices. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, the product prices will be hidden from your storefront without deleting any products or changing your inventory. First, head over to your Shopify admin dashboard and log in. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a navigation menu. Look for the option called Online Store and click on it. This will expand a few more options underneath. Here, you'll see your current theme listed. Next to that theme, click the option to customize or edit the theme. This opens the theme editor where you can visually adjust what appears on your store pages. Once you're inside the theme editor, focus on the left panel. This is where all your sections and blocks are organized. These represent different parts of your page, like headers, product grids, and footers. Under the template area, find the section that's responsible for displaying products with prices. A common example is a featured collection or a product grid section. Click on that section to expand it. Inside, you'll often see smaller elements called blocks or subsections, such as product image, product title, and product price. What you want to look for is the block that controls the price display. It may simply be labeled price, or it might be inside a product card subsection within that featured collection or product section. When you've located the price block in the left panel, hover your cursor over it. A small menu or options indicator should appear. Right-click on the price block and choose the hide option. This doesn't delete the price from your products. It just hides it from being shown on that part of your storefront. Take a look at the preview area on the right side of the screen. You should now see that the products in that section no longer display any prices. This is a good time to scroll and double check that everything looks the way you want. Once you're happy with the changes, go to the top right corner of the theme editor and click Save. This will publish your changes to the live store. After saving, the prices in that specific section will be hidden for your customers visiting the site.